This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Monday, June 14th, 2010, and we're going to take a look at AGRT Tools. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading under the ticker AGRT. Nice climb yesterday, or this is actually from Friday, up 18.5%. See, the stock's been in a little bit of a downtrend. This rounded top a lot of times tells you that a fall's probably going to follow, which it did. Caught some nice support, moved back up. ADX, PPO, kind of, multiple pinchers coming through there. You hope to see this start to trend up. When you see multiple pinchers, you like to see the second, the third, what have you, ascending. That's a sign of a really good pop. This is actually kind of running downhill a little bit. Actually pretty loose. It's only at -10, so it's a bit deceiving how tight the pinch even is with the ADX only at not even making it to 35. So we're going to keep an eye on that. More importantly, we're going to look at some support and resistance through here. But we are getting bullish crosses of the histograms, which tells your signal lines being broken to indicate a buy point according to those indicators. MFI is in a great position. As I always reference, I like to see accumulation distribution on an uptrend. That's a pretty strong uptrend it has, while the PPS has been trending down. Money flow making a turn, coming off -2. And of course, when I see this move back up through 0, it's turning heading the right way. CCI is in a very good position, holding over -100. Full stow also coming off the bottom. This chart has possibility of making a true reversal. Trick's kind of trickling down a little bit, but this is kind of a sideways channel. Want to see this get back up here and continue this sideways channel and break back through 0. We're looking at this as a possible true reversal. The RSIs are in a great position. They've had trouble historically with 50. We want to see if this can push through 50 and hold above and put this chart in some kind of a bullish position. See right here, this purple line is the 20-day moving average, the middle Bollinger Band. It hit it, came back, just barely got through it, came back down. In order to turn a chart into a bullish chart, you want to see it get on the north side of that 20-day moving average and trade on the upper side of the Bollinger Bands. As far as support and resistance, to see this bottomed out, it should get more bottom support back around there. I'm not that interested in that at this point. I'd really rather have it hold it right through here, around 13 cents. See, it's been an area of support and or resistance if it fell down below it. But it's been historic. It should hold that. This wants to come back down. I really want to see it hold 13. On this side, it's going to see a little bit of resistance. You can see right there from a historic point around 16.5 cents. It's also where the middle Bollinger Band is. I think that is going to be a little bit, but more importantly, I think it's going to see some here around 18. That's going to be a stronger source of resistance. Historically, it was a tough level for it, but that's pushing it to the north side of the Bollinger Bands. So we want to see this hold 13, and we really want to see it move through 18. That's about 15% gain or somewhere right around there from where it is now. But on the overall perspective of things, what we're looking for is to get above that 20-day moving average and take out this resistance at 18. So we'll see if volume can pick up. I'm not real sure about the share structure for AGRT. 145,000 shares is not a lot, but you can see it's actually an increase. So my gut tells me that this is a relatively low float, thinly traded stock. So I'll have to double check that. You might want to take a look at it. But from a technical standpoint, we're looking for a break of 18. So let's look for some volume to try and come in and see that happen. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Take a look at AGRT Tools.